What's the meaning of conchie? Conchie. Conchie.
Conchie. Conchie. Conchie is a slang term that originated in Britain during World War I and was used to describe a conscientious objector. These were individuals who refused to participate in the war effort due to their religious or moral beliefs, and were often subjected to ridicule and persecution by the general public and military authorities. Today, the term conchie is largely outdated and may be considered offensive by some people. It serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by those who stood up for their convictions in the face of societal pressures and government mandates during times of conflict.